Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canvas to Google Calendar. First, log into your Canvas account and find the Calendar section. Once there, look for the Calendar Feed button, usually located on the right-hand side of the page. Clicking this will open a small window containing your unique iCal feed link. Carefully copy this link, as it is essential for the next steps. This link allows for automatic updates. Now that you have your Canvas iCal feed link, open Google Calendar in your web browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it to reveal a drop-down menu. From these options, select from URL. This action will open a new field where you can paste the link you just copied. With the From URL field now open, paste the Canvas iCal link you copied earlier directly into this box. After pasting, simply click the Add Calendar button. Google Calendar will then process the link and import all your Canvas events. You will see your new Canvas calendar listed under Other Calendars on the left, ready for viewing. Congratulations! Your Canvas calendar is now seamlessly integrated with Google Calendar. This means all your important academic deadlines, assignments, and events will appear in one convenient location. The best part is that this connection provides automatic updates, so any changes made in Canvas will reflect in your Google Calendar. This simple setup saves you time and helps you stay organized throughout your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.